zoo, and we're going to be going with Jada's school to the zoo today. So me and Kai came to the zoo today. There's a good light. But yeah, so me and Kai came to the zoo today to, go to the zoo and have a field trip. So I'll show you guys, we're actually waiting for the other group to come in, and then we're gonna go to the zoo. So this is all the group right now, waiting on some more people. There's Jada, say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, we're going to the zoo, and I'll show you guys when we get in. Bye. Well, Jada, walk please. Wait, Jada. You like him, Kai?
You get a picture of the baby.
Oh, this one?
She's going to have her feathers like that for about 2 years.
Oh.
And she'll switch over
To the regular Kai. Come on, Jada. I don't like it. I don't like animals, y'all. Go ahead. All of this is new. What? The carousel? Big carousel right in the middle. Hi. Hi. Look, Jada. Hold on, okay? Ooh, look at you. You like it, Jada? Look back. Look at me, Jada. Put your legs down on the side. Hi, Chimera. Look at me. Let's go see the coral reef, guys. Jada. What you scared of? Come on, you're not scared of this stuff. Come here, Kai. Look at the silverfish. Isn't that cool? See the jellyfish? Yeah. It's jellyfish.
They were
Oh.
in the ocean.
Oh yeah, they do have them, yeah, on the shore.
We went to Alabama and they said it was the worst week they'd ever seen in the last 10 years. Of course, it was our first time there.
Oh my goodness. I'm glad you guys are okay.
We didn't want to get back in the water.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, the seahorse.
Everybody's got a job to do, just like us. Kai and Jada. Yes.
This is a sea star.
It is a sea star. She's so funny. Sea star. She made a starfish, guys, but you know, 4-year-olds. They know everything. Look at Nemo, girls. Hey, girls, look at Nemo. Jada.
Oh, Nemo! They bought a movie.
You see Nemo?
Yeah,
Yeah, those are starfish, Kai Kai. Look, Jada. You see them?
real?
Yeah. Want to see Dory? I think Dory left. I think Dory went to back there. Yep, there's Nemo. There's Dory. See Dory? She's hiding from us. There's Nemo, guys.
What is this?
He's trying to get away from this camera like, oh no. There's Dory. She's hiding out. Come on, Dory. Come out. That's so cool. You girls remember this from last year? So this is where they normally have like little shows, and then they can like touch the different sea animals and normally bring them in there. If you guys can see under the net, there's like a stingray over there. The girls came last year. They both touched the stingray last year. So yeah, that's the stingray. And then they have a little waiting area for the kids. No, get from over there. It's closed. So they have this part right here where the kids can play. Hey Jada. They have this part where the kids can play. Hi Chimera. Hey. And then this part over here too. Come on girls, it's closed. So yeah, that was the little area. And this is like really nice to come to in the summertime. So I like to bring them here during the summer so they can touch the different animals. And they have like a little hand washing station over here. And then when you leave out of here, it's another hand wash station out there. So yeah, that's that. This is the garden area, or nature's theater, whatever they call it.
I did it.
This is so pretty.
I like it. Mommy.
Come on this way.
Mommy.
This is so pretty. It's nature. Mhm. Yeah, nature. Come this way, Kai. You want to see a waterfall? There's a grizzly bear. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, looking at his butt. Jada. Oh, you're sitting down? Okay. Ooh, look, he's eating. Oh, he's eating. Look, Jada, he eating. Ooh, he's high. Look, Jada. Kai and Jada. See the bear? He's huge, huh?
You almost didn't have him. He's so close. She doesn't want to get like water dinner.
This is the big otter slide. So they go up the stairs. This is. Go ahead, Jada. Stay in line.
Here, stay with me, okay?
I don't see the otters. I don't know where the otters are. But it's like a clear slide that they just slide through the water. Ooh, look at you, Kai. That's an octopus, guys. Oh, the tentacles. That thing is huge. Oh. Jada. Now we're just waiting to go back to the school. The whole school had fun. Kai fell, so she's a little hurt. She'll be alright though. Jada and her friends.
Oh, yeah?
So now we're walking back to the bus to take it back to the school. Kids have fun. So yeah, the kids have fun. We're going back to the bus now. And it was a great field trip. I saw my stepsister. And yeah, Jada, did you have fun? Come on. Oh, hold on, let's get your... Jada. And the gift shop. stop being.
We'll go get another time.
Yep. All done at the zoo. This is my favorite movie. So funny.
She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky.
All right, Tommy, you're the oldest. I'm counting on you. Come on.
She's got eyes of the bluest skies as if they thought of rain. I hate to look into those eyes and see it now.
Nice vibrato, buddy. All right, Alice, let's go. Flat. I didn't even know. You don't even look good while you're singing. The worst thing I've ever heard. This is $1,200 a week for voice lessons, and this is what I get? Okay, I'm going to save it with the solo.
Dad with his grandkids. The jump rope.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Going straight though. You see it? Here. You hold it.
What do I press?
It's already recording. See it?
Okay, let me hit it. I want to do
See
it.
it?
Let me do it. Yeah, let me do
Now
it.
turn this way. Hold it like this. See?
She was shaking. I'm like,
Can I do it? I want to do it like that.
Okay.
come on.
Oh, okay, hold on. Jenny used to. Look at me. I thought it was over.